Farmers are the people who need to change their behaviour, so we invest in farmers. We educate them. So what we're doing in our new soil nutrient health scheme is we're empowering them with precision information about their own farm, about the fertility of their soil, their carbon, how much carbon is their trees and hedges, and how does rainfall take nutrient from their land and put it in the watercourse. We give them what we call runoff risk maps. So when we do all this together, they get very excited with this new quality information. Through training them to interpret that, they make better quality decisions. So when we open up a scheme, we opened up a scheme in May. We closed it at the end of August. 92% of the farmers who were eligible applied. And we believe that's a world first. It's been a 7-year journey, and it's been a public-private journey. So 7 years ago, I was approached by government to set up and chair an expert working group to write a strategy about how we manage our agricultural land better. That expert working group had farmers, it had environmentalists, it had food supply chain people, and it had policymakers. But we got consensus, and we went back to government with a strategy that both the farmers and the environmentalists could sign up to. We always find with ministers, it's very helpful if you've secured the consensus before you give it to them. Key in that is about baselining where farmers are today. A lot of our data is at a regional level or a catchment level, but not at a farm business level. So we've made it really applicable to farmers. What they get is knowledge about their own farm, not their neighbour's farm. And the quality of that data is something they've never seen before. In the manner we've given it, so we give it in really good maps and coloured maps and diagrams rather than spreadsheets. So it jumps off the page and they can actually see, wow, this is really accurate. I've never understood this before. Now I see it. And we then, make them aware. We'll come back every 5 years and redo it again so that we can start to see the additionality in the landscape. Are they planting more trees? Are they put more carbon under the soil? Is their soil fertility and soil health better? And so right at the core of this, it's the belief that if you give farmers better quality information, they will make better quality decisions and they will change their behaviour. When we then went out and launched the scheme, it was that we marketed to farmers, but because we had a public-private partnership, not only did our expert working group, but the scientists, the Farmers Union, all went out with a collective message. This is about empowering you to make better quality decisions. We believe that you should join this scheme. And so we were delighted with the first 25% of Northern Ireland, 92% of the people actually applied. And we are blown away by how farmers want to be better informed about their own business, about their own landscape, about their own impact on the environment.